Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about a new tool in Adobe Illustrator in advanced mode. So let's start. We have today Reshape tool. This tool is used for reshaping and open shapes like a path or closed shape like rectangle or ellipse. First I will make an open path like this, and with Reshape tool I can change any point like this. Now I will use it with closed shapes, but it has a different way. First I will make an ellipse like this and choose a fill, and now use Reshape tool, and if I click in any point and swipe, it will move it, but add a point. And if I wanted to reshape this shape, I wanted to click to add a point first and select the direct selection tool and select only this point, and now I can move it and change the shape.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.